In this recording, I want to explain the difference between My Drive and Team Drives. A team drive is a shared space where teams can store, search, and access their files. Unlike files in My Drive, files in Team Drive belong to the team instead of to an individual. Even if the members of a team leave, the files stay exactly where they are, so that the team can continue to share information and get the work done. How do I create a team drive? If I click on Team Drives and then I click on New, it will give me an option of New Team Drive. I'm going to enter the name Test just to show you in this recording. Then I click on Create, and you can see bottom left hand corner it's working. Now you can see the name of the team drive is Test. There's one member, which will then be myself, and I have a button there to add members. Before I add a member, I just want to show you on the left hand side. Again, it's always important to open up that drop down arrow next to the drive so that the arrow shows down, because that will show you a list of all the folders available underneath that drive. You can see I already now have 2 test drives. If I go to the Add Members button, I click on Add Members, it will open up Add New Members Test, add names or email addresses. So if I enter an email address, and I will just use one of my training lab IDs, WKS13 @up.ac.za. Then the next thing, I can add another name. Let's say I add another one, WKS1 @up or 10 @up.ac.za. Then I need to decide what access these members need. So you can see currently they have full access. If I click on the drop down arrow of full, I also have an option where I can just give them edit access, where they can edit all the files and upload new files. I can also give them comment access, which means they can only comment on all files. And if I really just want to give them view access, I can select this option, which means they can only view all the files that I share with them. So if I leave this on full access, I can also type in a message to maybe just tell them why I am creating this folder and what information I will be sharing here. I'm just going to type in there, share all training information, and I can then skip sending them a notification, and then I can click on send. And the selected 2 users will then be my team in the team drive test.